discover the transformative experience of the Hopebox, designed to uplift and inspire anyone in need of a little extra support. This thoughtfully curated box is filled with a variety of hand-selected items, each chosen to bring comfort, joy, and positivity into your life. Whether you're seeking solace during tough times or simply looking to brighten someone's day, Hopebox Review is perfect for you or as a thoughtful gift for a friend. Each item reflects a personal touch, aimed at nurturing the spirit and sparking joy. What sets the Hopebox apart is its emphasis on self-care and mindfulness, featuring products like uplifting journals, soothing candles, and motivational reminders. The packaging itself is beautifully designed, ensuring that the first glimpse of your Hopebox brings a smile to your face. Plus, with options customizable to individual tastes and preferences, this box makes it easy to create a personal connection. Invest in your well-being or share the gift of hope and positivity with someone special. Your life, or theirs, will be enriched with every unboxing experience.